weekend. You know, we had a lot of success back at the front in every session, but you know, race one leading just over a second and crashed out of the lead. Very disappointed for the guys at Yamaha. But bounced back in race two. They gave me a fantastic bike, and the Yamaha 1M was, you know, flawless. I got out to about a 3-second lead, and then maintained that to come home to win my first race in a few rounds, which is a good reward for all the hard work that they've put in a Yamaha racing team. We roll on to Phillip Island, my home race. Hopefully we can keep the momentum rolling and finish off the year on a positive note.
You know, race one, a little bit different. Got pushed off turn one, but you know, that's racing and that happens. So I think we were in 15th position and we got back to second. So we got the points buff that we needed over Tommy, and that really helped. But you know, I just had to stay cool, calm and collected, and just pick my way up through the other riders. But you know, race two, got a good start. Tommy's right behind me, diced it there for a little bit, and tried to build a bit of a gap on him. But you know, he hung in there for a fair while, which pushed me all the way to 13 laps. But you know, we got the points that we needed. We got the job done, and what else can I say? 2018 Supersport champion feels good, and you know, one more round, so hopefully we can go into Phillip Island and, you know, have a bit of fun.
Yeah, it was pretty good weekend all around. Won the Supersport 300. It was tough battles all around. Couldn't quite beat Maxi in the first one, but got it. Yeah, got it done for the next one. Won the second race, and then racing the third race with an injury, couldn't quite manage to get it done, and got the race finished. And yeah, it was a good weekend.
This weekend was by far my best weekend. Taking first in the R3 Cup, couldn't be happier. In the first one, me and Hunter, we had a mad battle, but I come out on top going over the line first by a tenth of a second. And then in the second one, Hunter was in front and he was pulling away, but then he crashed, got red flag, and went back a lap. I got first in that one too, pretty happy. And in the last one, me, Hunter and Tom were having a pretty good battle. Tom came out on top, Hunter second and I was third, but I took out the race, the round win.